Imagine this. You're sitting at your desk, coffee in hand, scrolling through LinkedIn, and you see yet another post about someone landing a six-figure AI job. They're holding up a shiny new title like AI clinical analyst, digital health specialist, or predictive care coordinator, and you think, but I'm not technical. Let me stop you right there. You don't have to be a coder to build an AI career. You just need to build your receipts, your AI portfolio. Hi, I'm Imani, your AI career coach. My mission is to help you rise above the noise, stand out above the rest, and thrive in this new AI era. Whether you're in healthcare, business, education, or the creative arts. And today, we're going on a deep dive, not just to talk about AI, but to show you how to build your own AI portfolio, even if you've never written a single line of code. Because here's the truth. In 2025, recruiters don't care what you say you can do. They care what you can show. And your portfolio is your new resume. It's your digital proof, your evidence, your receipts. So grab your notebook because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start, what to include, and how to show up online like the future-ready professional you already are. Let's start with a fun fact. Did you know 82% of employers now review at least one AI-related project before shortlisting candidates for digital roles, even if the job title doesn't include AI? That means your ability to show AI awareness, not mastery, just awareness, instantly increases your visibility. So today, I'm breaking it down into 3 core parts: building, branding, and broadcasting. Your AI portfolio is your personal brand in motion. Let's start with building. Think of your AI portfolio as your highlight reel. It's not just a place to upload projects, it's your story told through transformation. You're showing how you used AI to make something easier, faster, smarter, or more human. That's it. If you're a nurse, show how you used AI to streamline patient charting or spot early warning signs through data dashboards. If you're a healthcare administrator, highlight how AI tools helped you reduce wait times, optimize staff scheduling, or improve patient experience. If you're a radiology tech, include examples of how AI helped you interpret scans faster or improve image accuracy. These are projects, even if they started as experiments. Fun fact, 71% of hiring managers admit they don't understand AI deeply, but they do recognize initiative. That means when you show curiosity, you become the standout. Now, how do you build it? Step 1, document your experiments. Anytime you try a new AI tool, record what you did, what you learned, and what changed. Example, I used ChatGPT to draft an employee feedback survey, then tested it on my team and improved response rates by 40%. That's not just a test, that's transformation. Screenshots, before and after samples, or short Loom videos go a long way. Step 2, choose your platform. Where will your portfolio live? It could be your LinkedIn featured section. It could be a Notion page. It could be your own mini website on Card or Wix. Don't overthink the tech. The goal is to have one home base where people can see your proof, your evolution. Now let's talk about branding. Building is about what you've done. Branding is about how people remember you. Every AI portfolio needs a theme, a reason people stop scrolling and say, "That's you." So here's your personal branding formula: skill plus style plus story. Skill is what you're learning. Style is how you express it: your tone, your visuals, your energy. Story is why it matters, who you're helping, and how it connects to your future. For example, if you're a nurse learning AI automation, your theme could be human care meets smart tech. If you're a marketing professional, your theme could be Data with personality. If you're an educator, your theme could be AI for everyday learning. Your story should always sound like you, not like a robot. And don't hide your learning journey. Share your process publicly. Post updates like, tried my first AI automation today. It broke twice, but now it saves me 3 hours a week. That's relatability. That's transparency. That's leadership. Here's another fun fact. LinkedIn data shows posts about progress, not perfection, get 48% more engagement. Why? Because people trust people who are still growing. Now, let's talk about broadcasting. This is where your AI portfolio stops being a secret folder and starts being a career magnet. Broadcasting is sharing your work where the world can see it. Recruiters, collaborators, and clients. The easiest way? Turn your projects into posts. For every AI project you complete, write a short 3-part post. 1. What was the problem? 2. What did you do? 3. What was the result? Keep it real, keep it short, and always end with an insight. Example, I use Notion AI to streamline patient data and learned that tech doesn't replace empathy, it amplifies it. That's the kind of energy that builds followers, connections, and job offers. Pitch. Fun fact, 61% of recruiters now use LinkedIn's Talent Insights to evaluate how active candidates are online. So, if your profile is silent, you're invisible. Your AI portfolio gives you something valuable to talk about every week. Let's pause for a quick mindset reset. Building an AI portfolio is not about chasing every new app or tool. It's about documenting your journey with intention. Think of it like your personal time capsule of transformation. Now, let's talk about structure. Here's a simple portfolio layout anyone can build. Section 1, your mission. One short paragraph about who you are and what drives you. Section 2, your projects. 3 to 5 examples of AI in action in your world. Section 3, your tools. List your go-to AI platforms. ChatGPT, HeyGen, Canva, Notion, Claude, or Perplexity. Section 4, your results. Add quick wins, reduce time by 40%, automated scheduling, improved communication. Section 5, your proof, screenshots, PDFs, or a short video walkthrough. Keep it simple, visual, and human. That's how you'll stand out from the "I'm learning AI too" crowd. Fun fact, candidates with AI portfolios are 78% more likely to get callbacks, even when competing against people with more years of experience. Why? Because initiative beats tenure every time. Let's zoom in on the non-technical side, because I know that's where most of you get stuck. You might be thinking, I don't have the tech background. But here's the secret. You don't need to code to contribute. You just need to translate. Every field needs translators, people who bridge human need and machine capability. If you can document your workflows, write clear instructions, or explain complex topics simply, congratulations! You already have the skills to build your portfolio. Use tools that do the heavy lifting for you. ChatGPT can draft, Canva can design, Notion can organize, and HeyGen can present. You are the strategist, not the system. Let's look at some real examples. There's Maya, a social worker who created a digital empathy toolkit using ChatGPT to help counselors rephrase tough feedback compassionately. She turned that one experiment into a paid workshop series. There's Raj, a project manager who used Notion AI to analyze weekly reports and summarize client risks automatically. He didn't code, he prompted. And now he teaches AI productivity workshops for corporate teams. And my favorite, Taylor, a nurse who created AI-generated patient education sheets that translate medical terms into plain English. She saved her clinic 6 hours a week and became the go-to AI advisor in her department. That's what I call career glow-up energy. See how this works? You're not building an AI portfolio to show off. You're building it to show up. Now, let's address the where question again. If you're wondering where to showcase your work, choose your platform. LinkedIn is the best place for professionals. But if you love design, use Canva or Notion. If you're more private, create a simple portfolio on Google Sites. If you want something visual, record short video demos with HeyGen or Loom. Remember, your platform doesn't make your portfolio, your consistency does. Let's sprinkle in one more fun fact. In 2024, job seekers who posted at least once a week with an AI-related keyword in their post titles saw 3 times more recruiter engagement. So when you talk about AI, even casually, you expand your visibility. Now, let's talk about your mindset one more time, because portfolios are living things. They grow as you grow. You'll start with one project, then another, then suddenly you'll look back and realize you've become the person you were watching on LinkedIn a year ago. So here's your deep dive Saturday challenge. This weekend, start your first AI project, something small, simple, and authentic. Maybe automate your calendar. Maybe write a LinkedIn post with ChatGPT. Maybe design a quick AI in My Day presentation with Canva Magic Studio. Take one screenshot or video. That's your first portfolio entry. Then share it. Because the moment you share your process, you start building credibility. The world doesn't need perfect AI experts. It needs relatable leaders who are learning out loud. And remember, curiosity is the new credential. If you can stay curious, consistent, and connected, your AI portfolio will speak for itself. So, here's the plan. Build your first proof. Choose your platform. Share your progress. Update monthly. Lead with authenticity. That's the blueprint. That's your edge. Give this video a thumbs up if it gave you clarity. Share this with someone who's ready to document their AI journey. And don't forget to subscribe, because tomorrow we're wrapping up the week with Strategy Sunday. AI strategy in healthcare. How to future-proof your career and stay relevant in the digital era. We'll take everything we've learned this week and turn it into a repeatable system you can use for growth, confidence, and career freedom. Until then, stay curious, stay creative, and stay confident, because your AI story has only just begun. I'll see you tomorrow.